Good afternoon and welcome to T.W White Sons used car videos. Today we have a Land Rover Discovery Sport in blue. It is a manual 6-speed SF SD4, so it's a diesel Sport 4. It's got one owner since brand new. Land Rover history up to 2020. So as you can see, it's a 2015 on a 15 reg. It is a 7-seater as well. So I'm just going to walk you through some of its key features, and then, like always, if you're interested in the vehicle, then please do come and have a look and test drive the vehicle and see if you'd like to purchase it. So it's just been washed and cleaned. Obviously there are a couple of bits and pieces that we need to do to the vehicle. We do also need to service and MOT the vehicle because it is due in February. But it's in the lovely metallic blue colour. One very careful lady owner since brand new. So yeah, it's a nice vehicle. Quite rare in the 6-speed manual. It's only until now that she's wanted an auto, but she's driven manual most of her life. So yeah, it's a lovely car to drive. Nice gearbox, doesn't feel heavy at all. Clutch is still really good as well. So if I start at the back, so when you've got the 6th and 7th seat down, the boot is quite big. Obviously you can pull the parcel shelf back and be in the resting position just there, or if you wish, you can pull these up like so, and then you've got the headrest, so you've got the seat in the back. Now obviously, being a Discovery, I mean, I can fit in the back quite easily, and the middle row is on runners as well, so you can change how they are, which is quite good. So you can change the foot space in the back. So I'd say you probably could get an adult. Well, I mean, I'm an adult, so you know, it does fit in there, but quite comfortably fit 7 adults in the vehicle. Electronic tailgate. In the back here, you've got Isofix on either side, and then in the centre you have got centre armrest with cup holders and some extra storage in there. Panoramic roof. Obviously it doesn't open, but it is quite nice to have a bit of light in there. Keyless entry, electronic seats on both front passenger and front driver's side. Loads of cubby hole space, very, you know, rustic. Just if you do use it for, you know, being a workhorse, there's lots of surfaces that can just be white or dried clean. In the centre here, obviously you've got 2 keys, cup holders. In the centre box here, you've got USB, aux, and a 12-volt socket just in there. Automatic air conditioning with heated seats, front heated screen and rear heated screen. I presume it's like the one that's in the Ford, which is quite handy. Got LED surround day running lights and then halogen evening lights, automatic wipers and automatic lights, electric windows all around, and electric seats just down there. It's only beeping at me because the door's open and the engine's on. Let me just get in. Okay, there we are, beeping, finished. So yeah, obviously you've got your volume controls and Bluetooth controls on the left hand side, cruise control on the right hand side, and then down here you've got obviously all the different things that you can see on there. So just under 58,000 miles, so that's good, especially for the age of the vehicle. And then see what else do you have. It just changes there, doesn't it, really? So yeah, you've got your rev counter on the right hand side, speedo on the left, keyless start there, and then over here you've got your climate control, your navigation, touchscreen is still, you know, very responsive. Sat nav is just there, so there we have it. When you put it into reverse, you've got the all-round parking sensors, 6-speed gearbox as I mentioned before, and then electronic parking brake. You then got normal mirror, vanity mirrors both sides, and then some additional space in the centre. Obviously a vanity mirror just there as well. And then you've got some off-roady bits over here, so if you're on ice or you're on a bit of a dirt track or it's a bit hilly, obviously you can change it. You've got hill descent control and your traction control just there as well. So if you'd like to come and have a look at the vehicle, test drive the vehicle, then please do so. Give us a call or send us an email or inquire through one of the websites that you're seeing this vehicle on. Many thanks, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye bye.